If you want to make an insane amount of money by just copying professional traders, be sure to watch the full video. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Doc. In today's video I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about copy trading, which in my opinion is the best crypto passive income in the entire crypto space. But before I tell you everything you need to know, if you sign up or want to start copy trading on Bybit, be sure to sign up with my partner link down below because it benefits you and me. But other from that, let's start this video off with how to copy trade and how to select the best master trader to make the best profit. So all you gotta do, guys, is go up to derivatives on the front page and click on copy trade. Then once it loads, you don't want to pick any of these because why? They do risky trades and just a few, and they try to bait you. So what you want to do is go to traders with the highest profit for followers, because you know they will make profit for their followers. And once there, you're gonna click on view more. Then at view more, what you want to do is you want someone with a 100% win rate, and the other statistics are important as well. For easy things, I will just click my trader, the one I'm following, so I can explain it really well why I chose him. So he's not the best, guys. I'm just gonna explain you why I chose him. So the first key things you want to notice is the amount of trading days. I would recommend to get a trader who has like at least 20 trading days, because sometimes you have these traders with like an ROI of like 500, 100%, but they have been trading for 1 day. So basically they have just been lucky and they're on the top. The next thing you want to see is a return of investment. So basically the 7 days says not much, but you want the 30 day to be at least around 1 to 4%. Like if this guy has 40 days, so the 90 day can be checked as well. And in the 90 day, this guy has an average of 3.33%, which is really good. Like most people will say, wow, what's 3.3%? That's nothing. But I'm gonna explain, guys, in a bit how much you can actually make of copy trading, and you will see 3.32% is an insane amount of money. This next thing is you want to see is the max drag down. You want this to below 10%, because the lower the drag down, the less risky trades the trader do. Another great thing you want to check is how much profit did he make for his followers. So this guy made 24,000 profit for his followers, so it's a nice amount of money. Of course, you want to have a 100% win rate. And the second thing that is really important is the total winnings and losing. So you want the trader with at least 150 trades and all wins. So this guy has done 634 trades and has 633 wins and no losses. The 0 means he has an open trade. And now it's one of the most important things after return of investment is trading frequently. So this guy does almost 100 trades a week, and you want a trader who does 75 to up 100 plus trades a week. Why? Because some traders have like a 5 to 10 return of investment, but they only do like 5 trades a week, so you don't make that much money. And I'm gonna explain you guys in a sec how good trading frequency is. So other stats, of course, you want him to use trustable coins. So I would recommend to get traders who only use BTC or Ethereum, because other coins can be very risky. Like other coins like XRP or EOS or other coins that a trader using can just crash minus 50% in a day and you will lose your money. But BTC and Ethereum are the most stable. So another great thing to check out is the statistics of copy trade. So you want them to get at least around 1 to 4% every trade. So this guy, it was some tough times though, because a lot of times he gets more, but as you can see, a lot about the 1%, here's some 2%, and again 1%. Like, I'm not saying, guys, this is the best trader. I'm just giving you tips on what to watch out for traders. So you don't want them to have a lot of open trades, because some traders have like 40, 50 open trades, and 40, 50 open trades means you will have to have a lot of money. And that's why one more important thing is average holding time. You want this to be less than a day. Average holding time means how long it takes between the time of opening and closing a trade. So this guy has 14 hours, which is amazing. The lower the better. So basic points is return of investments, average holding time, always winning, and trading frequency. And now I'm gonna show you guys how much money you can make and why 3.32% is amazing. So let's take an example of how much money you can make. Let's take an example of you get a return of investments of 2.5%. So the trader trades 100 times a week. That means 400 trades a month. If you do the minimum amount of $10 per trade and he does 400 trades, that means you have a total cumulative cost of $4,000. 2.5% of $4,000 is already $100 a month. $25 is $10,000, is $250 a month. $50 a trade is $20,000, 2.5% is $500 per month. You see, guys, you don't have to invest big amounts to make so much money. How much dollars you will need to have 10 or 25 or $50 a trade, I will explain you in the next part of this video. If you have $100 trade, $40,000, and you will get to $1,000 a month. Look at this, guys. 2.5% ROI and still making $1,000 a month, and you don't even need that much money to have $100 a trade. I will explain you guys in the part where I talk about the copy settings, how much money you will need. And the last but not least, if you have $250 trade, 400 trades is 100,000 cumulative trades, is 2.5 return of investment, is 2,500 a month, guys. And even for this, you don't need that much money. Believe me, I'm gonna show you in a bit. So the next part, which I want to show you is, if you guys don't believe people make this much, how much do the biggest copy traders followers make? So this one is amazing, guys. Is Fuldo, his amazing return of investment. Like, this was a lucky week, but usually he gets around 1.76 and up to 3.8, but he has done 1,168 trades without a loss. And look how much his biggest followers have made. 64,000, 55,000, 50,000, 38,000. Like, it's possible. And look at these days, 30 days, 55,000. Like 50 days, 26,000. So these guys are making way more than 1,000 a month. And it is realistic, guys. It just depends on how much money a trade you do. So basically, the next thing is, how much money did I make? So 1 month ago, I made a video following this guy. As you can see, I made a 2.47% return of investment, and I made $153 in a month. So basically, I had $400 last month. So how much money did I make, guys? Really easy to show you guys. So if we subtract 150, so basically I made 550 divided by 400. That means I made 37.5%. If you divide 1,000 divided by 0.375, you will need $2,666 with my statistics and my tips to make 1,000 a month. And this is straight dollars, guys. I can just take this off my balance and it's done. It's all USDT. And that's why copy trading is so amazing. But now let's not wait and get to the next step. The copy trading settings. So when you found your ultimate copy trading master. You can take mine. It's not financial advice. I like him, but there are better with better results. But I have been following this guy since he had 200 trades and I'm still happy with him. So you're gonna click on copy, guys. It will say copy with you. It says copy trading settings because I follow one. So just click on it. So the next important step is choosing your copy trading settings. So they're gonna ask you to choose a range between 10 minimum and $1,000. So if you do $10, let's say in my example, you will have 54 trading monies and 4 days, they say. But do you need 54 trades? No, guys. I will give you the great example. So how much balance and how much per trade? Really easy explained. This is from my experience of 6 weeks of copy trading. So I would recommend to have 25 to 30 times the balance per trade. So if you have $10 per trade, a balance of $250 to $300, $25, $625 to $750, $50, $1,250 to $1,500, $100, 2,500 till 3,000 and 250, 7,500 and so on. And basically you don't have to every dude steps in this. You can do between any money you want per trade. It's all up to you guys. It's just my golden rule. So let's just say $10, then this stop loss. This stop loss is really weird. So I would do this. You can choose. So this one is new. This one depends on how much money do you want to lose until it gets kicked out. Let's say you don't trust your copy trader. Maybe he does some bad things. I don't want to lose more than $20, let's say. So this all depends on how good do you trust your copy master. So this will say after I lost to him like $100, I want to stop following. I don't want him to open more trades. This is all up to you guys. I just fully trust this trader and this option is even new. So I didn't have this one, so I will just do the maximum. The next thing you need is really important. It's the leverage settings. So basically, I would recommend to just follow the trader's leverage. This is the most safe. This is where the trader knows he can get every single trade correct, guys. So basically, don't risk it. Don't be greedy because a lot of people lose money even though the trader has every trade in a winning trade. So just to follow traders' leverage, it's more than important, guys. Don't be like, I will do fixed leverage 100x. I will want the most money, guys. Just to follow a trader's leverage is the safest and the best. And when you selected all your things, guys, you can just configure settings and you're done. Also, another important thing is how do you actually get balance? So how do you transform from spot to copy trading? So it's not that easy as you thought. The first thing you need to do is actually transfer from derivatives to spot. So you go to derivatives, you do like USDT perpetual, you take Bitcoin, guys, for example, doesn't matter. And then you need to have money in your derivatives account. So you just click on transfer, and when this finally loads, you will see you will have spot to derivatives and you just transfer from your spot to derivatives. So the amount you choose, then you go back to your copy trading settings and you click transfer again, and then you do derivatives to copy trading. I don't know why you cannot do just spot to copy trading, but this is how it works. Next few things is how can I adjust my settings? So all you gotta do, guys, is go to your user follower. So you just basically go to derivatives, copy trading, and click on the right on your account. And then you can just scroll down and just click edit. Another thing is how can I cancel my copy trader, because you can only follow once at a time. So you just click on cancel, and one important thing is continue copying the trader until the positions are closed. Basically, what this does is it makes sure if you have an open trade and it is on min 40%, that you don't lose a trade. Because I've had trades which were minus 60%, guys, not even kidding, and they just went to plus, like they went positive. And that's why a lot of people lose money. When they see minus 60, minus 70, they panic and they cancel, while these copy masters, they know they can go up to 99% minus and still win. So that's the next important thing, guys. So basically, these were all the things about copy trading. Now my final tips for you guys. So these are really important tips. So basically, if I make this bigger, so my final tips for copy trading is find a master with at least 150 out of 100 trades won. Find a master who does around 75 to 100 trades a week. Really important. You saw the more trades, the bigger the reward from your return of investment. Then find a master who gets on the 30 to 90 days between 1.5 and 4% per trade, which is huge, guys. Like a lot of people come to me like, Doc, this is not a lot of money you can make. Then they start doing this for 2-3 weeks and they're like, damn, Doc, I was wrong. 4% return of investment is amazing. It just depends on how many trades. Then copy the leverage of the copy trader. Don't risk it. Don't be greedy. Just copy. If the guy did 500 trades without losing, he knows way more about leverage than you. Otherwise, you wouldn't be watching this video. So just do the leverage of the copy trader. Another thing, have a budget of like 25 to 30 times a trade. So if you want to do $10 a trade, have like 300 balance. And the last thing but not least, use my link to sign up on Bybit to start copy trading because it benefits us both. Like really do this, guys. I would appreciate it. I'm putting a lot of time in these guys, so I would just appreciate it if you start copy trading to use my link. And that was everything for copy trading. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I will answer them all to you guys. Other from that, like this video, subscribe to my channel for more epic passive income and crypto videos, and YouTube. Until next time.